In this video, I'm going to manage expectations with you. I'm going to tell you exactly the steps that you are going to go through in the next few weeks, and also talk to you about the different individuals that are going to work with you. In order to create a great solution, we are going to pass through the administration, which means booking appointments with you, scheduling things. There will be an architect that is going to design the system for you. There will be a project manager that is going to oversee the project. There's going to be a developer, at least one, maybe more, that are going to work on the solution. There will be a quality assurance individual that is going to make sure that whatever we designed for you is actually working. There will be a trainer that is going to give you the education of how to use the product. And there is also the salesperson that sold you the solution from the first place. So there are multiple people here. Because we are a bigger company, there are multiple individuals that everybody is specializing in something. But the beauty about it, everybody are in sync. And everybody knows your solution and your company. So let's start from the beginning. Once the solution is being sold to you, the administration section in our company will book an appointment with you and the architect. The architect will make sure that the solution that you purchased will be adjusted specifically for your needs. Every field, everything in the system will be perfect for your needs. So even though it's a product, it will be customized for you. So you won't feel that it's a product. You will feel that it's a custom solution. That's the beauty about the system that we created here. Then the architect will push the information to the project manager, and the project manager will send it to the right developers. The development team will work on the solution, and eventually after a few days will send the solution to a quality assurance professional. The quality assurance will make sure that the functionality is in place. If the quality assurance passes with 100% success, then it will go to the architect, and the architect will verify that everything that designed from the business point of view is actually in the system. So that's the second part of the quality assurance. If everything is well, the admin will book an appointment with you and the architect to go through some training sessions. The first training session will be a delivery training session where you will receive the system for the first time. The system will be with testing conditions, which means you are the only one who can see your system. It will not impact your customers or your other employees. No one will see it unless you want them to see it. At that point, you will take the system for a spin. You will work with it. You will see how it works. And then you will come back and meet the architect for a second training session. During this session, you will be able to provide any feedback that you may have. Maybe we will need to do some small adjustments for you. And eventually, if you're happy with everything, we are going to remove the test conditions, and then the system is going live. Then when the system is going live, we recommend you to have some kind of a support solution in place. It might be an emergency support plan that if you have an emergency in your CRM or Zoho system, you have a company to work with on those issues. And we also offer a prevention package, which I recommend it much more, because the prevention package not only taking care of the emergencies if there are any, it will also make sure that your investment, such as this product, will always be updated with the latest features. We are going to run every 3 months an overall review of your system, make sure that APIs are not failing, functions, workflows, schedulers. We make sure that the system works in line. There are weekly online sessions that you can join, or your team members, to be trained on the system more, ask questions of how to extend the system and so on. So all that is included in the prevention package. Obviously, it's more expensive than the emergency, but I think that's the right way to go. So this is what you can expect out of your next few days. Most of our systems, and products are being delivered in up to 2 weeks. Some of them in few days, some of them in 2 weeks, but that's usually the time frame that you can expect. Some customers are faster than others, and it will take them more time to test the system by themselves. I recommend you to do it fast. The main reason is once you're having your first training session, everything is fresh. Take advantage of it. You invested lots of money into the product. Take advantage of it. Put pressure in your company and outside of your company to test the system, and then come back to the second training session with some feedback, and then go live. Take advantage. Otherwise, things will get slowed down and you will lose interest in the investment that you just purchased, which it's not that good. So thank you very, very much for listening all the way to the end of this video. I'm really happy that you're part of the Amazing Business Results family. If your experience is not perfect, let me know. I want to hear your feedback. I want to be sure that anybody that spends time and money in my company will feel as part of this family, Amazing Business Results, and will have amazing results for his business. Thank you.